Hey guys, what's up? Digital Wrench here, and earlier today I've unboxed two smartphones. This time we're going to unbox another new product, but it's not a smartphone. It's a laptop. And it's a gaming laptop from TUF Gaming, from ASUS TUF Gaming. Yes, my friends, we finally have another review unit from ASUS. And it's the TUF Gaming FX505DU. Yes, 505DU. We have reviewed TUF Gaming's FX series in the past, and this pretty new laptop that TUF Gaming has sent us. In fact, this was officially announced a couple of weeks back prior to Computex 2019. Now, the FX505DU is actually a special one because the processor is under AMD Ryzen 7, and the GPU is from NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti, which is actually pretty new in the GTX series. I know a lot of RTX GPUs are already released by NVIDIA, but the GeForce GTX 1660 Ti is no slouch. And paired with the Ryzen 7, I heard it's a very nice combination. So let's unbox this baby. And alright, so there's my documentation here, and there you go. So the 505DU is very similar to the previous FX series that we have reviewed last year. And actually, the last time we reviewed an FX laptop was just a couple of months back. That's just 705, and this again is a special one because it's a combination of AMD's Ryzen 7 and GeForce 1660 Ti. So we have the charger here, and we have a cable, and of course we have some documentations, which I don't really care about reading. Alright, man, let's go ahead and open this up. But okay, before I do, laptop is a bit slightly heavy. But it's portable. Okay, it's don't get me wrong. You can actually bring this anywhere. It's not too heavy, but it is a bit heavy. Not sure what weight it has. Haven't checked the documentations of this yet, but it's a bit thick. It's a bit thick for today's laptop. Let me show you. You have on the side, you have the power jack, of course, and surprisingly, it now comes with an RJ45 slot. So I really thought that gaming laptops have already removed the RJ45 to make it thinner, but I noticed that ASUS this year with their new gaming laptops brought the RJ45 back into their ports. So I guess this would ensure gamers that they'll be able to have the enjoy high-speed internet if in case Wi-Fi doesn't work that well. So aside from the RJ45, you have the HDMI port. And it also has 3 USB ports. So I suppose that the one USB port is with the speed of 3.0. while the other two are on USB 2.0. I may be wrong, but let me double check later. And of course, you have the 3.5mm headphone jack. So all the ports are on the left side of the 505DU. On the other side, alright, on the other side, you have nothing. It's just the vent. Okay, yeah, so it has a side vent at the right side. Or is that a vent? Yeah, it is a vent. And at the back, you have more vents. So this is where the air goes through, right? You have the lights here at the bottom, and the lid is typical FX design, right? You normally see this in all TUF Gaming FX laptop gaming series. So you have the accented corners. Anyway, when you opening up the laptop, open up the laptop, you have thin bezels, so it looks updated, and you have a keyboard here. Of course, you have a full keyboard with the numpad on the right. The trackpad is down there. And you could see the Ryzen 7 logo right here. Alright, so let's power this puppy up. Let's see if it has power. And there you go. Alright, so we're going to do some benchmarking software with the TUF Gaming FX505DU and see how this laptop will fare, especially with the games that we're going to play. And yeah, so this is what the screen looks like. It boots up pretty fast, huh? This is my first time to use a non-Intel powered laptop in a long time. I'm actually allergic to AMD since ever since the Athlon came out. But I'm very much welcome the Ryzen 7 and see how this would fare, especially for portable machines like this one, like the 505DU. So it was able to boot up immediately. Screen looks nice. The wallpaper doesn't do justice to that. But we're going to do some more, another video featuring the TUF Gaming FX505DU. So that's basically our unboxing and first impressions of this beautiful laptop. And it's actually already out in the market, and you can see the price down there. Yeah, but if you want to check out our review first, we'll be coming up with a full review of this gaming laptop in a week or so. So stay tuned to this channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Of course, like and subscribe our channel. So that would be youtube.com/the Networks. And of course, don't forget to check out our full review and first impressions of this laptop at dronthego.net.